The Atomic Hampton 3-in-1 combo table offers a versatile solution for your game room by combining billiards, table tennis, and dining into one elegant piece. This table stands out with its modern gray wood grain finish and robust construction, ensuring durability for daily use and transformation between functions. It includes two upholstered benches that provide not only comfortable seating, but also ample storage space for gaming accessories, maximizing functionality. Transitioning from dining to gaming is effortless with a removable top that quickly converts the table for billiards or ping pong, complete with all necessary accessories. The space-saving design allows the benches to neatly tuck under the table, making it an ideal choice for those looking to optimize room space without sacrificing style. With a strong reputation for quality, Escalade Sports backs this product with a commitment to customer satisfaction and a history of excellence since 1927.